actually steal a watch off of a flight attendant at 36,000 feet during drink service. Magic is a moneymaker. For any of you that are out there wondering, hey, maybe I should try to do some magic behind the bar. Or maybe you're discounting magic altogether because it's foo-foo or kind of childish or too bunny in a hat kind of thing. Magic is a moneymaker. You can learn all the classic cocktails in the world, learn some of the classic magic tricks in the world, and you are making money. So here are my top 5, actually only 5 recorded. Here are 5 times when I caught the magical moment the minute it happened. Right down here, yes. Now watch as your energy actually comes over to watch.
No! Whoa!
Come take a look. Is that your watch?
Yes, that's my watch.
That's your watch.
Okay, that's
Watch. Whoa! Debbie, is that your watch?
That is my watch.
Meaning was your watch.
Was your watch.
All right, thank you.
Why did you steal my watch?
He doesn't know. It almost fits. How did you steal? Would you like your watch back?
I think it's time to go.
That's crazy.
It's gonna come all the way down here. Can you feel that? Oh, now she's feeling it. See, she wasn't agreeing earlier. Shake it really hard. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Watch.
You better not.
Watch. Move your hand. Watch. 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 Put the camera on her.
Y'all gonna have me get me fired by cursing. Oh my God. I'm amazed.
Is that your watch?
It is my watch. It's my birthday watch. Oh my gosh. I'm a believer of it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That is crazy.
I don't know what is happening.
You didn't feel it come on?
No.
You don't feel this.
I am. You're amazing. You're amazing.
What's really cool, Shannon, is that you've sold us a system that is going to help keep our family safe from thieves, right?
Yes. Aww,
Can you tell me what time it is?
Like right now?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god, how did you do that? Seriously.
Is that your watch?
Yes.
Thanks for coming to see us.
No, I'm so serious. How did you get that off my wrist?
Thanks for coming to see us. These 5 people will never ever forget the day they got their watch stolen. That's what true magic does. It doesn't happen every single time you do a trick. It doesn't happen with every single trick you buy. You have to invest and go through the journey of learning how to do the tricks and learning how to work with your audience members. I've got a lot of really cool things coming up in the new year. Lots of great scripts. We're gonna be cutting ice cubes with chainsaws. We're gonna be doing all kinds of fun things, floating magic, fire. We're gonna bring all the really cool, crazy, mad things about bartending to you at home. Subscribe, leave a comment. Come on, let's get a conversation going. Thanks.